Here it is, the military transport aircraft that does more than just carry weight. The aircraft capable of sustaining the logistical power of a nation on its own. The C-130 Hercules. For 70 years, unstoppable across the world, able to fly from war zones to disaster areas, from the polar regions to the heart of the desert, this aircraft is still on duty. This aircraft is not just a cargo platform. It is one of the longest-lasting legends of modern military aviation. Even though it was born in the 1950s, it is still indispensable on today's battlefields, a plane that will never truly become outdated. So, what makes the C-130 so special? Why is it that despite nearly a century since its development, dozens of countries still do not choose another aircraft to replace it? The C-130 began with a need from the US Air Force after the Korean War. An aircraft that did not require a runway, could take off and land in short distances, carry heavy loads, and enter the battlefield directly. Lockheed's engineers created such a design that this aircraft became not just a transport plane, but the backbone of the Air Force. Hercules can land on almost any surface: dirt, gravel, snow, or damaged runways. Its massive turboprop engines make it both powerful and durable, and its ability to carry over 19 tons of cargo makes it capable of transporting everything from paratroopers to armored vehicles. But the real magic lies in its adaptability. The C-130 is not just a single model, but practically an entire family of aircraft that spread across the world. A C-130, the flying artillery battery that rains fire onto the battlefield day and night. KC-130, the silent supporter that extends the range of fighter jets by refueling them in the air. HC-130, the watchful eye scanning the skies to locate and rescue missing soldiers, pilots, or civilians. MC-130, the ghost that secretly carries special operations forces into the most dangerous regions on Earth. C-130J, the next-generation Hercules, reborn with modern avionics, stronger engines, and longer lifespan. This is why the C-130 is not just an aircraft, but a platform, an adaptable building block that can transform into any required role. And thanks to this versatility, it never went out of style. Many aircraft retire 20 to 30 years after being designed, but Hercules first flew in 1954, and it is still being produced today. This is an achievement enjoyed by very few aircraft in aviation history. From Vietnam to Somalia, from Iraq to Afghanistan, from earthquakes to wildfires, it was there for hundreds of humanitarian missions. When the sky darkened, when runways disappeared, or when everyone else retreated, the C-130 always moved forward because it was designed to operate in the middle of war, chaos, and disaster. Many countries not only purchased it, but enhanced it with their own modifications. Turkey, Australia, Japan, Canada, the United Kingdom, South Korea, Egypt, the list goes on. Even today, many air forces may acquire other aircraft, but they still cannot abandon the Hercules completely because there is still no aircraft that can fully replace it. The story of the C-130 tells a rare truth in aviation history. Some designs are so correct, so functional, and so rugged that time cannot defeat them, remaining in the sky for more than half a century. This is not just engineering, it is a legacy. And when the C-130 Hercules was born to fly, no one could stop it. Perhaps that is why the world's longest-serving military transport aircraft is still in the sky, still working, and still indispensable. This is the story of an immortal giant, the Hercules of the sky that never grows tired.